We're here in Wilbraham,
5 Brookside Drive.
It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this is your local look. Thank goodness it's Freddy edition. All right, so inside we have the listing agent. He's gonna show us around, right? You know the guy.
I do know him.
So come on in, let's meet Freddy. We enter right into the living room, and if we go around the corner, we have
The 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom right off of the living room.
this is the blue bathroom, as Freddy's calling it.
We also have a 2-car attached garage.
This could be a bedroom!
As we go around through the 3rd bedroom, we can enter into the dining room, which also connects, of course, around the corner to our living room. And then we're on to the kitchen here with Freddy.
This is the kitchen!
Yeah, this place is great. I mean, listen, Wilbraham's an awesome town, great property, great location.
So off of the kitchen, there is a hallway with another full bathroom with stand-up shower. And then we'll head down to the basement, which is the playroom.
And it looks like here towards the end, we've got a workout room that could be maybe a 4th bedroom, huh?
Yep, definitely a 4th bedroom option. We have a large backyard at this house that's been professionally landscaped.
If you want to check it out, hit Dan up. He'll even bring Freddy along for some negotiating power. If you want some options for financing, hit me up too. Our number's on the screen. It's Brad, the Mortgage Guy. This has been your local look. Thanks, Wilbraham. We're out of here.
See you next